Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to make a template on Asana. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to open your web browser and then proceed to app.asana.com. Once you're here, simply sign in with your account. And once you have signed in, you may now click on the plus button right here on the rightmost part of your workspace. So this one, click on it, and then you may go to blank project or you may also use a template. So for example, you want to start from scratch. So click on blank project, and then right here you may type in the project name that you want, and then the privacy, the default view, and etc. Click on continue, and then go to project. So once you're here, it will now load. And then now you may change the list, the timeline, the calendar, and etc. And let's say, for example, that you have now completed the things that you want. So, for example, you have input already your list, your board, and etc. Simply click on the drop down button or the project actions right here on the rightmost part of the project name, and then click on convert to template. So click on convert to template, and then that's it. Now you have created a template. So that's it. That's how you can make a template on Asana. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.